Understanding, in the short run, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might come across in both everyday conversations and professional contexts, in the short run. This phrase is packed with meaning, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to clear up any confusion. Ready to get started? Let's go! In the short run is a phrase that refers to a temporary or immediate period of time, focusing on the near future rather than the long term. It's often used to discuss consequences, plans, or situations that are expected to happen soon but may change as time progresses. The key here is understanding that it's all about the short-term perspective. To get a better grasp of, in the short run, it's helpful to compare it with its counterpart, in the long run. While, in the short run, focuses on the immediate or near future, in the long run, looks at the bigger picture, considering how things will unfold over a more extended period. This distinction is crucial in discussions about planning, forecasting, and analyzing consequences. Let's put "in the short run" into context with some examples. 1. Economics. In the short run, lowering interest rates may boost consumer spending. 2. Personal planning. I might have to work late nights in the short run to finish this project. 3. Health. Cutting calories drastically can lead to weight loss in the short run, but it's not sustainable or healthy long term. These examples show how, in the short run, is used across different contexts to discuss immediate or upcoming outcomes. When using "in the short run," remember, it's best suited for situations where the timeframe is temporary and relatively brief. Pair it with "in the long run" for contrast or to discuss short-term versus long-term implications. Use it to highlight immediate effects or plans that may change in the future. And that wraps up our guide to understanding and using the phrase, "in the short run." Remember, it's all about focusing on the near future and recognizing that things might evolve differently over time. We hope this video has shed light on how versatile and useful this phrase can be in your English language journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!